back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I have, I don't know, 4 or 5, I think maybe 5 jobs in this video. I will have the timestamps linked down below in the description box, as long as the links directly to the Glassdoor pages and the application pages that I share. Everything is linked down in the YouTube description box below this video. But I am trying to get a bunch of job leads out to you so you have options to pick from as far as jobs where you can work from home. And I'm trying to have a little bit of something for everyone. So no matter whether your expertise is phone work, customer service, if you want a little bit of customer service supervisor work, I even have a job where you can work from home in your pajamas sending text messages. We're going to dive all into it. But I just ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, please give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up like button. And of course, share with all your friends and family, because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life with that great work-life balance. But not to waste anybody's time, first up, we have the company Finexio. Finexio only has 35 reviews on Glassdoor, so as always, please do your own research on any companies before giving them any of your personal information. But out of those 35 reviews, they do have an employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a customer support leader. Now, this is remote for the United States only. All of these positions are going to be for the United States only. But Finexio is a leader in AP payments as a service. So they're a payment service provider, the leading embedded payments approach for businesses and business payments. They're looking for somebody to help develop the customer service team into a high-performing group by defining, executing, and communicating industry best processes, standards, and best practices that work flawlessly and minimize escalated customer issues and escalations. You're going to be an ongoing example of customer service and lead the customer support team to deliver accurate, timely, and helpful responses that get to the customer's needs. You'll proactively review the process, identify efficiencies, and help collaborate to build out a better process. You'll act as the lead point of contact for all customer service matters, including providing problem resolution and escalations in a timely manner. So your customer service team that you are over, they'll escalate any problems that they have to you, so you may occasionally have to take those problem calls. You ensure your team is working diligently in pursuing and resolving all customer tickets in Zendesk according to the internal KPIs. So I've always said, if you have a lot of years of customer service experience, why not turn that into management and leadership, whether it be team lead, supervisor, anything like that. It is great to get those work from home management positions. They do tend to be higher paying. But as far as what they're looking for, they don't require any kind of a college degree that I could find, just a minimum of 7 years of customer support. They would prefer somebody who has payment processing experience. They want somebody who understands business to business payment methods, someone who can demonstrate the ability to meet critical deadlines, someone who understands Zendesk or Salesforce, and of course somebody can manage a team and look at the data, be analytical, and let those metrics drive the internal performance reviews. Now, of course, again, like I was saying, pay for these leadership positions pay very well. This one pays anywhere from $90,000 a year all the way up to $120,000 a year. Next up, we have Smith AI. Now, Smith AI does have part-time and full-time availability, so you can really fit it into your schedule. They have 174 reviews from current and past employees with an employee satisfaction rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a virtual receptionist. This is going to be US-based. They will hire in Mexico only, but the pay for Mexico is very low. But again, they are offering part-time and full-time. They're basically looking for somebody to call handle for professionals for their virtual receptionist. They contract with other companies, and they're looking for somebody to just be those virtual receptionists for their clients or those other companies. You'll do any kind of administrative work that they need, including answering phone calls, doing all kind of paperwork. They are offering 100% remote work from home. You'll do things like answer calls, take messages, screen new clients, book appointments, collect payments, transferring those calls and understanding the caller's needs and providing just any kind of business information that they need. They are looking for somebody who has strong typing and multitasking skills. You do have to have your own internet and computer. You have to have the ability to work flexible hours, speak great in English, and of course, be a multitasker. Now, pay is going to be dependent on your qualifications. Starting out, entry level rate of pay is $15 an hour. You can get $16 an hour if you're bilingual and speak in English and Spanish. They are offering paid training and health insurance benefits. Now, if you're outside of the United States and you're based in Mexico, pay is $11 an hour, and they don't pay additional for being bilingual if you live in Mexico. Next up, again with these leadership skills, we have the real estate website Zillow hiring a customer success manager. Now, their customer success manager combines innovation, product capabilities, and methodologies with their customers' business objectives and priorities. So you're going to build relationships with the customers by booking business and helping to nurture the next generation of top listing agents. You're going to develop a trusted, proactive, and advisor relationship with the customers, onboard and train the customers on the showcase product, discovering and influencing the customer's internal metrics for the success of showcase, and ensuring the customer knows how to achieve and measure those results. You'll influence future lifetime value with high product adaptation, and you'll drive new business growth through greater advocacy and reference ability. Now, they are looking for somebody who's 2 years account management or sales experience, someone who is experienced leading contract-based accounts, someone who has the ability to identify, grow, and retain clients. So you've got to have that high energy and a strong desire to achieve top results. Somebody who's going to go way above and beyond. You've got to be focused, reliable, and responsible, and be a self-starter. Now, if that is you, again, pay is going to be dependent on experience and location, but pay for this position is pretty high, anywhere from $27.30 an hour all the way up to $43.70 an hour. All right, and if you're interested in sending text messages in your pajamas, next up we have the company Intoxalock. Now, Intoxalock makes those devices that are put into cars that you have to blow in to get the car started if you've ever had a DUI or anything. I have not, but I've seen those devices on cars. They have 118 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.3 and a 5-star rating. They are hiring a collections texting specialist. This is remote for the United States. The texting specialist is going to be responsible for communicating with current customers with the objective of getting them on the phone with a member of the collections department. So this is going to require some phone work. You're going to communicate through Intoxalock's texting platform with current customers, communicating with them through text message as needed, trying to gain their trust and transition them from a texting conversation to a live phone call conversation. You'll provide customer service to the current customers to resolve any issues in customer accounts, providing feedback to your supervisor on any issues that arrive. Texting specialists are going to be responsible for any additional tasks to help the company further any goals. You'll be responsible for providing inbound phone line support attached to that texting line. So you're going to be texting and some little bit of phone work. Now, they prefer a bachelor's degree, but the only thing that is actually required is a high school diploma or GED, strong written communication skills, strong computer skills, and you need to know how to use those Microsoft Office programs like Word, Excel, Outlook, and type 40 words per minute. Now, they are looking for somebody to work 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., and this pays $16.50 an hour. Does also offer a standard benefit package that includes health, life, vision, dental insurance, paid time off, and 401k. And if you live in certain states, these are Illinois, Indiana, North Carolina, Florida, Wisconsin, Texas, Utah, and Michigan, then Motorola is hiring a customer service representative administrator for the United States in these select states. But Motorola is looking for somebody to help work assignments within their fast paced recovery environment, being responsible for maintaining account orderliness, ensuring a field agent is assigned to each account, and updating those designated accounts with new information as received from the client. You'll facilitate the successful recovery of any assigned collateral while demonstrating basic product and service knowledge and initiating required actions as needed. So this is 100% a remote, a work from home. They are looking for somebody who has 2 years customer service or account management experience, a high school diploma or GED, strong phone skills, and strong multitasking skills. Above that, you do need to know how to either use those Microsoft Office systems or G Suite, which is the Google equivalent. Now, unfortunately, Motorola did not list the pay. That'll have to be discussed at the time of the interview. All right, if these job leads were not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind when I'm out here searching for job leads to share. If you enjoyed any of these job leads, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me direct feedback. Share with all your friends and family. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.